welcome to the EDM Garage. My name is Dan Lee, and today is a really exciting day because today we are finally taking the black Supra to the dyno. And I haven't been working that much on the black Supra for a while now, but that's because I have mainly been focusing on the silver Supra instead. But now finally I'm going to finish the black Supra project. And if you're new to the channel and you want to know what I've done to this car and how I'm going to make 700 horsepower, or perhaps I should say how I'm building 700 horsepower, you can check that out over here. But yeah, recently I've been doing some preparations for the dyno run, and we have been out and testing a little bit and stuff like that, and driving a little bit on the street, and just to see if everything works and if there are anything that needs to be fixed or done before I take it to the dyno. But yeah, everything seems to be working really good. Haven't had any major issues or something like that, so that's pretty good. And then we've done what you can call like a street tune on the car, just so it's drivable basically. But the real power tune is going to be done on the dyno then, of course. But everything seems to work like it should, and I'm really happy with everything. So now finally it is time to take it to the dyno. So yeah, let's not wait anymore, let's go! And yeah, we are back home from the dyno, and I am really excited right now. Everything turned out like it should. We had no issues, everything just worked. It was a really great dyno run, and we achieved the goal, 700 horsepower. So I mean, that was the whole point of this project, to get 700 horsepower. So I'm really happy with that. And well, of course, that's 700 horsepower at the crank, of course, then. But I mean, in the end, we had 610 horsepower at the wheels. I mean, that's really amazing, really amazing. But yeah, I mean, that was the whole point of this project, to have a 700 horsepower engine, and I achieved that. So I'm really happy right now, really happy. And yeah, like I said, there were no major issues. Everything just worked and stuff like that. So I mean, I could not be happier. Really happy right now. And I mean, the sound of the car, I mean, it sounds amazing. I mean, just listen to this. So yeah, I'm really happy now, really happy. And I'm also happy with the whole car now, since well, basically it's a finished project, and I can now just drive and enjoy it. And also really happy with how with the carbon fiber hood on the car, it turned out really good, that I took from the silver Supra. And well, you know, you got a big turbo if you have to cut out the hood to make it fit. But anyway, so yeah, like I said, this project now is finished, and I'm still have some more DIY videos that I'm gonna make on this car for future episodes. So there are gonna be more stuff of more videos, I mean, of this car on the channel. But that's everything for now. So yeah, basically, if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. And until the next time, stay tuned.